Ayo, what's up? It's your boy Player, aka King P, as you already know. Coming to you guys with a new video, but while I'm doing that, I just want to see if I can adjust this. Okay, yeah. So, as you can see from the title of the video, I've blown my account. I've blown my 5K account. It was still on phase one. It wasn't easy, man, since the first mistake that I made, nothing else worked, Some opportunities I was in too early, some opportunities I missed. Um, but long story short is that I blame myself. It was a lesson. The amount of times I always say something is a is a lesson, bro. It's not even a joke. It's like I can't even count. The sad part is that I'm making mistakes that I know I should not be making. So the only thing that I can do moving forward is to try and fix my mistakes. The account is gone. Don't have money. Don't have money to buy another account. I need to wait. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I was like, I don't even feel, bro. It's getting a bit hard. It's getting a bit hard. By the way, the date is the 5th of February 2026. So I don't know, and the sad part is that is having to take a break, just because you don't have money. And like with me, it gets very hard not to trade. So it's either I wait so that when I come back, I come at least back with like 2 accounts, because this one account thing is also killing me, because now I see an opportunity here, I take it. I see another opportunity, I take it, and then if both goes wrong, that's minus 2%, so it's a bit hard. But if I got at least 2 accounts, I can split the risk, so yeah, man. But I got myself to blame. This was a good week in terms of my strategy. It's just that since the first trade that I went out on early, and then the other losses were fine, and then I went and traded gold. When I traded gold, I also made mistakes. So I wasn't like, the way I traded alone was not the one, That's another thing. And then yesterday, took some trades. I was in early, but the direction was correct. So that gives at least hope. So if I do come back, I honestly hope that I can follow my rules, because like I said yesterday, at least I went out following my plan. Today, I also traded gold again. Killed me, it took the account. So I think like I just love gold because it moves fast, but it's not working out for me. Currency pairs, today I didn't see any opportunities, so I went to gold. But yeah, man, future me, I hope that you come and look at this video one day when things work out, because damn it, bro, this February month is already kicking me, but sometimes we are just a bit hard on ourselves, because it's just one 5K account, bro. It's not that bad. 5K account per week for someone, if I had money, come on, bro. Depending where you get it. I'm blocked at Equity Edge. But if I wasn't blocked at Equity Edge, that would mean like per week I'm using, how much is an account by Equity Edge? 250, because they always have specials. But now I'm using the bigger prop firms, so I'm paying a bit more, and it's eating a bit more. So, but I will be back. That's a promise to myself. I'll be back. I will do better. I have no other choice. I have to make it work. It worked last year, whole year. It's gonna work again this year. It might start late, but it's gonna work. Just need to have patience. Know that I don't need to rush. Yeah, man. And do this thing, bro. I'm still here. I'm still alive. I'm still working. I can still try again next month. And until I can get back on my feet again, man. You know. And for everyone else also watching there, bro. It's no point in rushing because it's like it's like you're driving, bro, and then you see this car coming past, phew, fast. The next thing, the car is either in an accident and you drive past that car that went fast past you, or that car is at a robot and you meet each other there. So in most cases, either way, being on a fast lane doesn't guarantee that you're gonna get there first, because things can still happen along the way. And I guess that's what happened to me this week, you know. Man, if I think about it, like if I just think about how this week went, when I on Tuesday, my account was on 5,068. So I told myself that I'm gonna risk only that 68, split it up at least, and I have 2 trades. Bro, I took the first trade, I lost. It was even more than half. That was already me not following my rules. I took another trade on gold. I was risking 50. It took 100, bro. It took 100, bro. You know, already I'm on minus 150. Yeah, I think I was around minus 150. I took another trade. I lost another 50. This is only Tuesday. Fine. Let's go to Wednesday. Wednesday, my plan is to say that I should not risk more than 3% per trade. No, I should not risk more than 3%. I should not go above 3% on a specific account per day. You know, that's something that I implemented for myself. Bro, I went past that. Again. That was me not following my rules. And then on Thursday, which is today, started nice, took a buy on gold. It went on plus 100 and 20, 30. I closed. By the time I closed, it was just on 100 profit. I checked again. My account would have been on break even. I went in again on gold. Didn't work out. Went in again, blew the account. Now I'm sitting here with no accounts, nothing. So, but I'm not gonna give up, man. There is no way of giving up because of what I've seen already and the amount of money that I made. I just guess this is like what they call a losing streak, but this is a sad one because you're losing even though the market direction is right. You know, it's not like you're completely wrong. It's you not following your rules that's costing you, you know. So that's what's happening to me. But other than that, it's all good, because like also what I notice is that, bro, and moving forward is that I realize that when this thing is right, bro, when your trade is right, it moves, bro. It moves. It really moves, bro, because checking the charts, the pound cat and the pound cat and pound chef that I missed, the cat I took, it took me out, and then it went a bit up. It gave another entry signal. I didn't have I already met my max daily loss at that time, so I couldn't take the trade. Again, that thing of taking more than going over 3%, because if I did not go over 3%, maybe I could have gotten that. Maybe I could have taken that. I don't know. Maybe I would have stick to my rules. Or that thing of having more accounts, bro, could have saved me. I could have passed also because of that trade. Anyway, when it came back down, checking it now, it's like beyond what I expected. It's just too far. It's gone. You know, enough to recover and pass. So when it's right, it's right. Same as with Pound Chef. I didn't take Pound Chef, didn't analyze it properly, so I didn't see the opportunity. But again, with that, if you check where it is, bro, that sell, and check where it turned from the point where it turned to where it is now. When it's right, bro. You could have recovered and passed. So it's just like that. Check the trade I took, which was pound JPY on Monday. It like went to a whole if I held it would have, and it was a funded account, bro, you could have cashed out of about $1,200, bro, and I was only risking 50. USD JPY, I only looked at it. I only looked at it and it's also gone, you know. So strategy is fine. Problem is me that I need to fix. But I will come back. The only sad part is that I wanted to post consistently. But now seeing that I won't be having an account, I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Because I'm not gonna trade a demo account and a demo account and be coming here and showing you guys that I'm on profit. I'm not doing that. I would rather like find something else to do, bro, just to keep my channel going, you know. So for example, tomorrow maybe I can just analyze the charts and take a guess of what I think NFP is gonna do, you know, just to keep my channel alive. And then maybe next week, for the whole week, I can just analyze and just say show what I'm expecting to happen, and you know, from which areas and all those things, you know, and then take it from there, bro. I think that's actually something I can cook up, you know, find a way to analyze these markets. But also I must find a way, because I don't want to share how I see the opportunities, because I know some of you guys are as smart as I am. You can catch up and just grab the strategy. The next thing, we're trading the same using the same prop firm, and then we are both blocked, because then they're telling us that we're using group trading, you know, things like that. So I think I'm just gonna show you, just come and tell you guys that I'm looking at this and that and that, and I'm expecting it to go there and there and there, but not to go deep into the strategy, because of the reason I just shared now, you know. Because at the end of the day, it's very easy for us to all use the same prop firm, and that's how we get blocked. That's how I got blocked at Equity Edge, because I got told that I'm group trading, and yeah, man, just shit I didn't know. So, but other than that, it's all good. We're here. We will make a plan. Tomorrow we're gonna make a plan with NFP and share that video with you guys and take it from there. Other than that, it's your boy Player, aka King P, as you already know, and I will see you guys on the next video. Cheers.